Hi everybody, we're starting off our first unit in Texas Government Online, and this unit will include chapter 1, 2, 3, and then there's a off textbook assignment. It's a survey that was done by the University of Texas that talks about demographics, the study of people. And what you're going to find with unit 1, it's all geared to show you how we're set up, as a people, different regions of the state that have very different obstacles and very different priorities. And then we look at how our Constitution, that basic document that governs the state, is set up and how we got there. It's a pretty interesting story. When we look at the Civic Health Index, the off textbook assignment, we're going to be looking specifically at who are Texans. We're a majority minority state, which means we have more people who self-identify as a racial or ethnic minority than we do Anglos. It's a pretty recent change, and we're going to see how that affects government structure. And then we look at Texas in the federal government. How do we interact in this big state, big country of ours? Could we be our own country? We'll take a look at that as well. So open up your books, get started on chapter 1, and within the unit you'll have one learning activity, one discussion question, and you'll have an exam within this particular period. Look at your syllabus for directions on how to complete those assignments and email me if you have any specific questions. I hope you enjoy Unit 1.